Hey everyone. So today I'm here with the next chapter of your GK book, that is chapter number 10, World of Fishes. So in this chapter we shall discuss about different types of fishes. Fishes are aquatic vertebrates having a backbone. We all know vertebrates are the animals who have backbone. Okay, and we also know that fish they breathe, they take in this they breathe through, by using their gills for respiration. They are found virtually in every water body in the world except the very salty water of the Dead Sea and some of the hot springs. So read the following statements about different fishes and name them. There are different types of fishes in the clue box, and we shall discuss the questions one by one and try to find out the answer. Okay, so let's start with question number 1. A freshwater or slightly salty water fish which shoots down its prey with well aimed drops of water pellets that can bring down an insect 6 feet above the water surface. Okay, so basically it attacks its prey by shooting drops of water. So the name of this type of fish is archer fish. ARCHER, archer. धनुष होता है ना, उसको आर्च बोलते हैं. ओके, आर्कर फिश. Now, question number 2. A fish that remains on the exposed mud at low tide instead of staying in the water, it's a successful fish out of water because it can move quickly over the mud on its large pectoral fins. So name of this fish is mud skipper. Sorry, MUD, mud skipper, 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 mud skipper. Okay, now come to question number 3. A fish that is born in freshwater and spends most of its life in the sea and returns to fresh water to spawn means eggs. Okay, so the name of this kind of fish is anadromous fish. ANADROMOUS, anadromous fish. Question number 4. A fish that lives in the ocean till it is an adult but lays its egg in fresh water. Okay, so it till when it's an adult it lives in the ocean, but when it's time for it to lay egg, it lay its egg in fresh water. Its young lurks among what river. Lurks means wait. Okay, wait करना. Lurks among river weed मतलब क्या होता है? Unwanted grass और unwanted plants जो होते हैं उनको weeds बोलते हैं, before continuing its journey to the sea. So the answer is, what are these kind of fish called? These kind of fishes are called as salmons. Salmon, SALMON, salmon. Okay, now come to question number 5. Of many poisonous fishes in the sea, it is certainly the most deadly. Deadly means khatarnak. It has 13 stout spines, मोटे मोटे कांटे होते हैं उभरे हुए, and can inject highly toxic venom. Venom means poison. It lives in warm coastal seas in the areas of Northeast Africa, Northern Australia, and the Indian Ocean. So this type of fish is reef stone fish. REEF, reef stonefish. Okay, question number 6. Sorry, this freshwater fish is found mostly on the reefs of the Atlantic, Indian, and Pacific Oceans. It is a surface dweller, surface पे रहने वाला, with large pectoral fins resembling outspread butterfly wings. Pectoral fin मतलब क्या होते हैं? जो उसके चेस्ट पे फिन होता है उसको पेक्टोरल फिन्स बोलते हैं. ओके, resembling outspread butterfly wings. So this kind of fish is termed as butterfly fish. Come to question number 7. This powerful carnivorous fish has an elongated eel-like body. Elongated मतलब लंबी body और eel की तरह slippery. Okay. It buries itself in the mud, curls up into a ball, and can live through the dry season until the next rainfall. It is found in South America, Africa, and Australia. So this kind of fish is termed as lungfish. Lung, lungfish. Now, come to question number 8. This pale fish, pale means dull. This pale fish inhabits freezing cold seas. कहाँ रहती हैं? Cold seas में रहती हैं. From the Antarctic to Patagonia. It is pale because its blood lacks the red pigment hemoglobin present in other animals to carry sufficient oxygen to meet the body's metabolic needs. So, the answer is ice fish. So, ice fish is children usually pale. Okay. Why? Due to the absence of oxygen. Now, it appears pale due to the absence of oxygen in its body. Question number 9. It is one of the oldest looking fishes and is found widespread in coastal waters among eelgrass and other weeds. I have already told you the meaning of weeds. Weeds are unwanted plants. It resembles the chessboard knight as it swims in an upright position. Upright position, khade position mein it swims. So the name of the fish is seahorse. You might have seen in the Discovery also, if you watch Discovery Channel then, or the Geographic Channel. Now, come to question number 10, the last question. The greatest of all fishes, it can grow up to 21 meters long and can weigh मतलब उसका weigh as much as 70 tons. So the weight of this fish is 70 tons. The gape of its mouth is wide enough to allow 2 to 3 persons to crouch inside it. और एक बार में 2 से 3 लोगों को ये आराम से अपने अंदर ले लेती, निगल लेती. Understood? Yet it is completely inoffensive. इसका माउथ इतना बड़ा रहता है कि आराम से 2 से 3 लोग इसके अंदर समा जाए. But it is completely inoffensive. But it does not attack anybody and feeds on plankton. Plankton क्या होते हैं? Please find out. Okay. I'll be saying you planktons क्या होते हैं. Now, so the name of this kind of fish is whale shark. WHALE whale, SHARK, whale shark. Clear? So please find out the meaning of plankton, and I'll be asking you in the next class what is the meaning of plankton. Okay, children. So I hope if you have not written the answer, please write it down in your books and in your copies as well in neat and clean handwriting. Please do not write in untidy way. It becomes very painful, understood, while correcting your copies. So please present your work neatly. Try to present your work neatly. Okay. So that's all for today. And one more thing, please keep learning the chapters also, and with the spelling itself. Clear? So that's all for today. Thank you, children.